Okay, there's nothing in my ear. When I tell you there's like always something in my ear, and I just cleaned it, like on some just cleaned it type shit. Always something in my ear. Hi guys, I'm back with another video. If you're new, thank you for watching, and if you're an oldie, thank you for tuning in. This is going to be another recreation. If you didn't see my last video, it's a recreation of a B. Marie's look. So this time is going to be her bestie's recreation, TailorMadeJane. So she has a video where she has like straight orange hair, and she has like this P. Louise look, or P. Louise look from the new palette. I don't have the palette, so I use different things to recreate the look, and I feel like I nailed it once again. So the first time that I wore this orange hair, which was for my birthday, I actually recreated this look, and that was in April, and now it's July. I feel like in April I have grown since then. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which you should, I'm going to leave it here, there, somewhere. I'll leave it somewhere. You guys can see that I have the crimps in my hair, and I have on this look. This time I feel like I nailed it. Before it looked cute. It wasn't like as intense and to the T as this one is. So I have grown in the last couple of months. Whoop whoop. Okay. So yeah, I just thought that this look went perfect with my orange hair, just like how she had, but she had some inches, and I just wanted to recreate this look for you guys, just so that you guys can have other palettes to go to if you haven't gotten the P. Louise palette. I mean, I usually don't like follow really what's out. I basically use what I have. That's why you guys probably keep seeing the same palettes being used in my videos, but it's really hard for me to find colorful palettes that have a lot of colors in it. So the Morphe 12P and my NYX Ultimate palette are like my go-tos, because I love color, and everything else I feel like is neutral in life. So if you want to get beat the Pretty Koi makeup way and not just the TailorMadeJane way, then keep on watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So guys, I want to thank you for watching, and I want to thank you for tuning in and watching my long video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I don't like that butter, and I realized that after I ordered it. Parquet's better. The way that this baby got me, I'm always snacking. Shit!